Pa rin kami na kontento sa shopping, so ang daming nabili siya, guys. Nagsa-shopping siya. Continue shopping. Shopping. I'm going to the kids area. I'm gonna do get some stuff if I can do for my activities this week. Yeah. Like the art and paper, something like that. If there's shopping. Because it was closed yesterday. No. Here in Just Jeans. That's well for working one. Good morning mga beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. It's Jen here. Happy Saturday! So, day off tayo. So, today, pupunta na naman tayo sa town kasi may bibilhin akong importante. So, see you later! Mga beautiful people, kasi kukunin ko pipick upin ko yung vlogging kit ko na ibinabalik namin kasi kulang yung product nila. Kaya, pipick upin ko today. So, yeah, I'm very excited to use it for my vlog. Yun! Basta na di mag-uwan. Let's going for lunch. Happy Saturday! We're going to Panda. We're gonna have some lunch, okay? Look at my face. It's too big, huh? You're just so skinny. What? My face is too big. That we're going to Panda Asian shop. Here's the QR code. Restaurant. Ayan. Nandito kami mag-lunch kasi tinamad kami magluto sa bahay. So we're having our lunch now. Thank you. And we got Coca-Cola. Cheers. Kasi really siya cherry berry. And Lynn. And to all my other beautiful friends. We need to mention. So yan ang record ng restaurant. At saka konti lang tao at the moment. Very hungry ng mga beautiful people. Gutom na talaga ako. Ang ginawa ko lang yung special. Kasi para makamura. Just here na lunch. Kain na. With honey soy chicken. And Leia is same. Garlic graham from cheese. So let's eat because I'm very hungry. So tapos na kaming nag-lunch. We're going to Kmart after. So we're just waiting to pay. Why it's blurred? Yes. So let's go. Let's gonna do this. Where's Kanzu? So after some return and earn, we're going to Stockland. We're gonna do our shopping. Let's go. So we're waiting for Cherry Berries because she's coming over here. Yeah. So that's the shop at the back, clothes shop. There's another one. So yes. Shopping there. Reunited. We're in Stockland.
Oh, is that your uniform? Yeah, this is the got the new one. This is just there. Yeah. That's nice. So you want? And she asked me tomorrow. I said no, I can't because I already organized this day on Friday. Sorry, next week.
With them, they're over there. Shopping with Bishki. Thank you for the lift. Oh, my seatbelt is not on. So, I'm home mga beautiful people. Nakuha ko na yung vlogging kit ko sa AB Games sa Stockland. So, hopefully, kompleto na to. Big box talaga siya. So, yan. Let's open it later. So, mga beautiful people, nakabili din ako ng buongon. Or po, mga beautiful people, nakabili din ako ng buongon. Kasi laki ng mukha ko. Parang kasing laki ng mukha ko. So, $8 per kilo. So, ito, $4.50. So, parang mga 150 pesos sa Pilipinas. So, matagal na akong nakakain ito. Kaya, yan, bumili ako. Yehey! Yum, yum! At saka, bumili din ako ng pangregalo sa manita at manito sa work ko. Kasi may party kami this coming Saturday. Work party. So, yan, ito. Sana masaya na yung binibilhan ko. Yan. At saka, yan, relax na tayo. Getting ready for tomorrow. Kasi, maglaag na naman tomorrow si Australianang Bisaya. So, thank you so much mga beautiful people sa lahat ng nanonood ng YouTube channel ko at sa nag-subscribe. Sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, sana mag-like at subscribe na kayo. Thank you. God bless. Have a happy weekend. Mama. Mr. Gossip. Tingnan nyo guys, the window is open a little bit and nakatingin sa bintana. What are you watching there? Huh? Looking for the neighbor or looking who's passing by? Look at this little fellow. 3 fellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 fellows in there. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Can you tell me what you're looking in there? Hi, car. This car passing by. He's looking in the window.
We were just beautiful together.
On the 31st of December 2000.
What you doing? You like you're a gossiper, you know, Mr. Gossip?
Husband and wife.
Why you're looking in the window? Hi,
We didn't want to tell
Mr. Gossip.
deal about it.
With you guys, naglagot yung kanyang banag yun kaya nagsige promise ingon nga
bullshit.
if ma 1,000 subscribers ko mo
I
join
said
daw ko
I'll
na siya
go
sa
with one.
channel. No, I didn't say that.
I
You
did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
Don't yell at me, young lady.
So he's a liar because
Darling,
he just said
it's not very
that.
nice being a liar.
No. You believe your own lie. No. You said that if you get
You haven't got my permission to do that.
1,000 subscribers, you said that you're gonna join on my YouTube channel,
I
and
didn't say
now
join.
you just
I did not.
joined once. So
You can go and
No,
have a look.
promise-
Have a look at your
promise
own.
can
You
mean-
can look at your own video.
praise,
Go to the original
promise,
universe.
promise can mean us to be broken. So don't promise, okay?
I didn't.
You do
I
it.
said
You
one.
do it. No.
I didn't
It's
say I
not.
was gonna join it.
No. Once, okay? So you need to join on me on my YouTube channel, okay? Now you do the fridge store. Come on, quick! Fridge store. Open the fridge. Open the fridge. Open the fridge. And show us what you got in your fridge. Show us what you got in your fridge. Uy. Shino, talk to me. Shino. Wala bitaw buhaton, maay lang sa istorya, wala sa buhat. Naglagot yun ko. Naglagot ko ni mo do. Kasabot ka? Ha? Kasabot ka? Ha? Hoy, kasabot ka? Ha? Hoy, talk to me. I'm talking to you. Hoy. I'm talking to you.
No, you call me a liar.
No,
I don't talk to people who call me a liar.
No.
That's right. No.
No, because I said it. Look at guys, he's watching me guys.